Are you ready to transform your coffee routine? Let's jump into creating homemade coffee ice cream. Start by brewing a bold cup of your favorite coffee, letting its rich aroma fill the air. Allow it to cool while we prepare something extraordinary. Take 1 cup of heavy cream, thick and luscious, and mix it with 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, creamy and sweet. Add a pinch of salt to enhance those flavors perfectly. Once your coffee has cooled, it's time to blend. Gently fold the coffee into the velvety cream mixture and watch as it comes together beautifully. Now pour this delightful mixture into a container, and here comes the toughest part: the wait. Freeze it for at least 4 hours. When you finally take it out, you'll uncover a creamy, dreamy coffee ice cream that's irresistible. Picture scooping it into a bowl, the rich scent enveloping you. If this recipe made your taste buds tingle, show your appreciation. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more mouthwatering ideas. And don't forget to share your coffee ice cream masterpieces in the comments. Let's inspire one another with our delicious creations. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.